how to make from $200 to $2,000 per month using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new method that will help you generate from $200 to $2,000 per month without even learning any skill or without having any capital or without having any money to start. So basically the idea is that, but first, before we start explaining the idea, make sure to leave a like to the video and also follow the channel to support us. So guys, basically the idea is that we're going to open Google Maps and we're going to choose the market that we're going to work on. For me, I prefer always to work on the United States market because it's the best market in the world, guys, and the best currency as well, even though it's not the best country, but that's irrelevant. So guys, you will need to go to the United States in Google Maps. Then we will search for the small local businesses in different cities or in different states. Then we're going to check their profile in Google Maps and see what are the problems that we can solve for them. For example, you will find that a lot of businesses has some bad reviews that they need to get rid of ASAP, and those reviews are ruining their reputation, are preventing them from having the clients that they need to have, or it creates them more problems. So basically they will need to remove those bad reviews and they don't know how to do that. And also you will find some other businesses that need to renovate their website. They have some bad websites, or they don't even have a website to start with, so we can create new websites for them, or we can just renovate their website. And as I said in the beginning, you will not need any skill to do that. You will just need to find the business and pitch them your idea and your offers or your services. Then when you close them, you will get paid. For example, a business will pay you $200 to remove bad reviews and to rank them, to help them rank in the top of the Google Maps, in the top of the Google Maps search. And to do that, you will just need to get paid from them, and then you will take a small portion of that money and head to Fiverr.com or any other freelancing website or platform that you like to work with. Then you will search for the freelancers that are doing these jobs, and you will find freelancers that are doing these jobs or these services for less than what you've got paid. So for example, if you've gotten paid $200, you'll find freelancers that will do the service for $25 only, or $25. Then you will be left with $175 margin, or $180 profit, just for linking between the business owner and the freelancer, and that's it. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can do that in action. So here, let's go to the United States and let's choose the state that we're going to apply this on. Let's go for Michigan, for example. Here, let's go to Michigan and let's see what city we're going to work on. Let's go for Greenville. Let's go for Greenville. Here, zoom in on that. Then we're going to type the kind of small business that we're going to start with. Let's go, for example, for auto repair, and let's say the auto repair shops or garages in this area. So this one has 138 reviews, 4.7 stars, and it has a website. This one has just 71 reviews and doesn't have a website, or it's just not showing. Let's check this one first. And always, guys, make sure to choose the businesses that has less than 100 reviews. So here they don't have a website, so that's the first service that we can pitch them. And also, let's see if we can find some bad reviews that we can remove for them. 5 stars, 5. Let's go with more reviews. Here, let's scroll down. One star review. I have been using them for 5-ish years, and I had an ongoing underhood exhaust leak, pretty terrible on my truck. They took a long time on it, bumping it back in line as other vehicles were coming in. Long haul truck driver, and I bought. So this is a long bad review, and it seems like it's making them a lot of problems. As you can see, they responded to the review. We are terribly sorry for the misunderstanding. As the owner mentioned when you picked up the check we provided for your tow bill, our mechanics did not feel comfortable making your requested repairs, being that the part you provided was not made for your truck. We understand that you ended up having to repair it yourself and apologize for the inconvenience this caused you. So they will be eager to remove this review because it's giving bad reputation for them, and also they will need a website as I said before. And this is another 1-star review. We charged $50 for a headlight bulb for my Subaru. They said the bumper had to be taken off. I got home, called a Subaru dealer who said it would cost $15. I will not go back to Fred's Auto. I feel like they cheated me. I will pass it on. This is another review that they will be eager to remove as well. So here, this business is a very good business to pitch our service for. So here you will just need to take their number and cold call them, or you can check if they have a WhatsApp registered on that number. And after you pitch them the service of removing the bad reviews, then you can also pitch them the idea of creating a website for them as well. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you understand the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.